Welcome back to the channel. Linux gaming has come a long way, and the latest statistics confirm it. Arch-based distributions are dominating the scene. But what is driving this change, and why are gamers choosing these distros? According to a recent report, distributions like SteamOS, Garuda Linux, and Manjaro have become the favorites among Linux gamers. These distros offer cutting-edge software, rolling release updates, and excellent compatibility with gaming-focused tools like Proton and Lutris. The result? A smooth and seamless gaming experience. Looking at the Steam hardware survey data, Linux now holds over 2% of the gaming market share, with Arch-based distributions leading the way. SteamOS, the backbone of Valve's Steam Deck, plays a crucial role. It provides an optimized platform for gaming that is lightweight, regularly updated, and offers immediate support for the latest hardware. But it's not just about SteamOS. Other Arch-based distros, such as Garuda and Manjaro, have built a solid reputation thanks to their performance and ease of use, even for those new to Linux. These distributions prioritize the latest kernels, drivers, and software, ensuring compatibility with modern games and hardware. Why Arch specifically? Gamers appreciate the flexibility and control it offers. With Arch-based distros, users can fine-tune their systems to maximize performance while maintaining a stable gaming experience. Additionally, tools like Proton, which make many Windows titles playable on Linux, make the Arch ecosystem a perfect match for gaming. The rise of Arch-based distros in gaming is a testament to how much Linux has grown in this sector. With ongoing developments and increasing support from companies like Valve, the future of Linux gaming looks brighter than ever. Thanks for watching.